Let's see how we can add photos to the grids. And I will show you a little trick. So let's come back to our Canva and the same page. We can click Add a page. And now let's go to the left side menu and click Elements. Let's go to Elements and Grids. Usually we use grids when we want to make a collage. Look how many of them there are here. We click on the one we've chosen. We can resize it. You see that gaps are white. But we can change that. For example, let's set a blue background. Click on the background, go to the colors, and choose blue color. And now you can see a blue shade. Pay attention to the background you have. I keep the background white. Now let's go to the photo library and let's search for coffee photo. We can take the photo and drag it to the grid. We can double-click and we can adjust the position. When it suits us, we can click near the photo or just click Done in the right side menu. Now I'm choosing Next Photo and dragging it to the grid. And the last one, let it be this one. Double-click, adjust position, and click Done. We can adjust grid spacing. Click on the grid, and in the top menu, we found spacing. We can adjust spacing. And now I will show you a little trick. On the Canva homepage, I'm choosing bigger size, so I'm choosing presentation. And let's go back to the elements and grids. And now I'm choosing this one grid with 5 columns. Now let's come back to the photos, left side menu and photos, and enter theme into the search field. And I am choosing this one photo. We can take the photo and drag it to the first grid. We can double-click and adjust the position. Now I am resizing the page here on the bottom, like this. And now I am taking the bubble and resizing the photo. We can adjust position. And when it suits us, we can click near the design. Now I'm taking the same photo and dragging to the second grid. Double-click, adjust position, and resize the photo. So you need to grab the border or any corner and make the photo bigger and adjust it. Let's do the same with other photos. Let's take the same photo, drag it into the grid. Now double-click and grab the border or any corner and make the photo bigger and adjust it. Let's do the same with other photos. And here you go. Great, yes? So that's it about grids, and see you in the next lesson.